Hello everybody. So another beautiful day and another beautiful AI agent nukes a company's entire production database along with its backups in under 9 seconds. And when it was asked why, it started the sentence with "never fucking guess." Then it went on and on and on, regurgitating the words that made the most sense to it, words that would never have an effect on its decision making the next time it is doing more AI agent stuff. Because unlike a human that will learn from their mistakes and have the basic common sense necessary to not have deleting the database as their next course of action following a credentials mismatch, it will go ahead and do exactly that. The world of developers is weird at this point in time. Non-tested and non-deterministic pieces of technology that only started showing some promising potential in the world of coding and programming about a couple of years ago are now adopted as infrastructure by companies that would rather hire a chatbot and suffer annihilation than pay a decent amount of money to an actual human to do the job. The company we're talking about today is PocketOS. It primarily sells software to car rental businesses that use it to manage reservations, payments, vehicle assignments, customer profiles, that kind of stuff. They had a Claude Opus 4.6 running as an agent through Cursor. It encountered a credential mismatch and decided on its own initiative to fix the problem by making sure that there are no more credentials to mismatch. The CEO of the company, in his tweet venting about this, keeps blaming Railway, which is the service they use for hosting their databases, and also Cursor, but I find it interesting that he does not criticize Anthropic, nor does he take responsibility for the fact that he allowed an LLM to LARP with a globally scoped API token. So customers on a Saturday arrived to pick up their rented cars, and the businesses that paid this guy's company to specifically handle reservations and keep data on what customer paid for what and when to receive it and stuff like that had to do that thing they paid for themselves. And so every single one of them was doing emergency manual work because of a 9-second API call that this dumbass allowed an agent to execute on a production database. Railway recovered the data this idiot lost, and now hopefully the customers whose time had been wasted because of incompetence have received the cars or whatever they rented, with an apology hopefully, and a compensation delivered to each customer by this guy. Now, should Railway be blamed for this? Had they not included an agents section on their website, I would have said no, but because they did, yes, they should get their act together. And Cursor should do the same. They should include better safeguards to prevent the models from executing basically apocalyptic commands. This guy has been a developer for a long time apparently, so couldn't he have anticipated that this thing would happen? But who am I to even talk about this? I'm not a developer at AWS where an agent decided that the best way to fix a minor software bug was to delete and recreate a part of the production environment. I'm not working for Replit, where the AI again deletes production databases when it panics. These AI agents seem hell-bent on deleting production databases the second they encounter a minor issue. Imagine if a human did that instead of an LLM. They would be fired yesterday. But because it's an AI and the AI companies are burning through billions and building ginormous data centers, then it must be okay. It must be fine because it's an AI. Can't you understand it's an AI? We have the word AI in our company. Come invest, please. So it's terrible. I chose software engineering as a career, but now I'm just hoping I don't need to work for a company in this field ever again. Because it's just soulless. You just prompt and prompt and prompt. It's just a bunch of agents writing code that reviewers are just gonna hit approve on without looking through it fully because of the sheer length of it. I mean, these agents generate a lot of code. And now those agents just destroy entire businesses in 9 seconds, like like they're Thanos or something. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.